everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to make you hungry again with what's for dinner number 25. So the first meal that we have is some green beans mixed with potatoes, cornbread, fried cabbage, and Mississippi chicken. Delicious, absolutely delicious, and it has little country elements to it too. This was so yummy. If you haven't tried Mississippi chicken yet, what are you waiting for? I have a recipe on it. Speaking of recipes, I do have an upcoming in the kitchen recipe, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Next up, I have a marinated pork chop and macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, and leftover cornbread. I do have a video on this. It's Copycat KFC Bowl. It's delicious and super easy to make. Bacon ranch chicken sandwiches with shredded cheese on top, and homemade potato wedges, meatloaf, corn on the cob, which I cut off of the cob, a crescent roll, and some homemade mashed potatoes. Also another super delicious meal. Love some meatloaf. Sweet potato, mashed potatoes, green beans, and Salisbury. It's one of those frozen Salisbury dinners, but super easy, tasty. Everyone loves it. It's a quick dinner. This is roast egg noodles, carrots, and potatoes. There is a video coming soon on this. It is so easy. It's pretty much dump all for the crock pot. Super easy, super tasty. Would be perfect for the colder months, but my husband loves this, so we'll make it year round. Next up, we grilled out burgers, homemade potato salad, and Dr. Pepper beans that were on the grill as well. Mashed potatoes, shells, and buffalo ranch chicken. So yummy. Spicy but yummy. Homemade pizza. So yummy. This is one of Connor's absolute most favorite things that I make, and he will almost always ask for it on Friday night. Loves to help make it too. Grilled hot dogs, and I picked up some chili sauce. So I did some leftover tater tots on the side. I had like a half bag in the freezer. So I fixed the tater tots. I put a little bit of chili and cheese on mine as well. Cube steak with a peeled baked potato, and I have butter and cheese on my potato. Again, this is a pretty simple meal, but really tasty and filling. One of mine and John's favorite things right now is homemade quesadillas and homemade Fiesta potato bowl. The potatoes are absolutely delicious. I've mentioned this a few times. I really need to get around to making them in a recipe video for you guys. They are so yummy. Another night where we had fried cabbage, shells, the cornbread, and pork cutlet. I had a head of cabbage that I really needed to cook up, so I done that. I think we always have cornbread when we have fried cabbage. It's just a good pairing. Shells because Connor wanted shells, and the pork cutlet because just that's what I chose to thaw. On this day we had a Mississippi roast, peas, scalloped potatoes, and once again leftover cornbread. I made some pizza casserole with a breadstick. Pizza casserole is so yummy. And the last and final meal that I have to share with you today is one pan meal crock pot, so it could be a dump all as well. Chicken breast, whole potatoes, you could use red potatoes for this, and green beans. And it's absolutely tasty. You literally just put all of your raw ingredients down, cover them in butter, do an Italian seasoning pack, and let it cook. Let it be. Easy to throw together. Like, it takes an hour in the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed the What's for Dinner number 25. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional in the kitchen links. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.